Imagine seeing your skin transform in just 15 days. Not with expensive creams, but with simple food swaps you can start today. Your plate is the real secret to glowing, youthful skin. Stay with me till the end, and I'll share a powerful 15-day glow diet that's safe, natural, and scientifically backed to bring out your inner radiance. We often spend so much on skincare, but what we eat every day shapes our skin more than any cream. The good news, with just 15 days of mindful eating, hydration, and balance, you can reduce dullness, calm breakouts, and boost your natural glow. The 15-day glow diet plan, Morning Boost, start with warm water plus lemon, flushes toxins, vitamin C, soaked almonds plus walnuts, healthy fats for skin elasticity, seasonal fruit, papaya, berries or pomegranate, antioxidants, breakfast oats with chia, flax seeds and fresh fruit. Smoothie option, banana plus almond plus milk plus blueberries. Lunch rainbow bowl, leafy greens, cucumber, carrots, beetroot. Add protein, lentils, fish or chicken. Dress with olive oil plus lemon for skin-loving healthy fats. Snack coconut water for hydration. Handful of pumpkin or sunflower seeds for zinc plus collagen support. Dinner, keep it light. Veggie soup or steamed vegetables with whole grains like brown rice. Herbal tea after dinner to aid digestion. Hydration, all day 2 to 3 litres of water. Green tea, chamomile or spearmint tea for skin clarity. Extras, collagen-boosting foods, citrus fruits, pumpkin seeds, limit sugar, fried foods, and processed snacks. Skin-boosting lifestyle. Tips: food is powerful, but lifestyle matters too. For a real glow, get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Manage stress with journaling or yoga. Stay active with daily walks or light workouts. These simple shifts multiply the results of your glow diet. So here's your 15-day glow challenge. Follow this plan, stay consistent, and watch how your skin transforms naturally. If you're ready, comment "Glow On" below, and let's track this journey together. Don't forget to subscribe for more beauty wisdom from within.